Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first, this evening, mixed reactions to the government's plan to criminalize corporal punishment. Minister of Justice Delroy Chuck reiterated the government's position earlier this week during the ministry's Child Month Forum at the Spanish Court Hotel. Omwai Harriet reports.
A message from Minister of Justice Delroy Chuck to Jamaica's youth.
Yes, you must honor your mothers and fathers, but tell them they must hit you.
The government is seeking to outlaw corporal punishment in homes. Now, corporal punishment is already banned in early childhood institutions and frowned upon in other schools island-wide. In fact, teachers have gone before the courts on assault charges for allegedly hitting children. And as it is in schools, so will it be in homes. Minister Chuck says the impending ban is in a bid to protect children's rights.
If you know of any parent who is beating their child, you tell them that the government and the Minister of Justice say it is wrong. In other words, we must not use straps and whips and belts, especially belt buckles, to beat any child.
But with corporal punishment traditionally used as a disciplinary method in Jamaican households, some parents are against the imminent ban.
At the end of the day, when push comes to shove, the government will not be there to see the situation where the parents have got through. Them are going more bring police on them for come lock them up.
The Bible in Proverbs 13:14 says, "He that spareth his rod hateth his son, but he that loveth him chasten him many times."
I think children still need a little drop here and there, but we still have to think back so we're not to abuse them.
If they abuse the children, police will lock them up. So if you take away the discipline, it's the same thing. If the children them know that, they're going to do anything they want to do, knowing that they can go and get police and their parents. So that's not a good thing. Now that there's the kids them or they operate in school, they want to fight the teacher. Sooner or later they want to be parents too.
Minister Chuck is suggesting other disciplinary methods.
Every parent must learn to scold the child, even to deprive the child of some form of activity, or to put them in the corner to stand up. And I know it's difficult. It's difficult for parents to really, challenge their children to be on the right path. But I dare say that corporal punishment really works.
The government has for years criticized corporal punishment as it says the practice is a major cause of violence in the society. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.